Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Shadow Galaxy and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Settings and customize your wallpaper. When you're done, go back, click Open, set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. As you can see, my wallpaper was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!